All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today we're doing a review of the 4K Asus ProArt color accurate monitor. Not a sponsor. I paid for this, by the way. I just want to be clear, Asus didn't sponsor this video. I paid for this monitor, I paid for that monitor, I paid for that monitor. I've paid for, well, those two monitors. So one of the big things about ProArt displays is they are guaranteed by Kelman to be color accurate. That's one of the biggest things about the ProArt series of monitors. They're designed to be color accurate monitors for video editing, color correction, photography. That's what they're for. So it comes with a chart talking about grayscale tracking, gamma value, gamma results, color accuracy of average delta, and gamma is 2.18 and color accuracy is 0.48 on my particular monitor. This kind of stuff is really important when you want color accurate results. You know, it's an awesome monitor as far as actually viewing it. You know, you're watching me on a monitor while I'm talking, but it's only going to capture so well, but the color accuracy is phenomenal. It comes with a extremely heavy mount for it. Now I don't have it mounted there because I've got 3 screens, but the mount it comes with is freaking great. It has, you know, you can have it set up vertically, you could have it set up horizontally, you can have it even closer to the ground than these monitors or your desk. The monitor tilts, it does everything. It swivels. It does so much that your average monitor stand just doesn't do. And the stand is heavy. I can't emphasize that enough. It's heavy. And it's a great way to, well, support this monitor. The monitor itself is not that heavy, but the stand is very heavy duty. Get a nice little workout lifting this thing up. Now it swivels, and of course, the monitor itself is a standard VESA mount, so you can mount it to an arm like I have it. You can just do all sorts of things. Power brick is internal to the monitor, so you don't have a huge power brick hanging out somewhere you're trying to hide. It has 2 HDMI ports, 1 DVI port, and 1 Type-C port. The Type-C port will power like a laptop that has Type-C power input. So if you have a MacBook and you want to charge it via your monitor that's plugged in, it will do that. I don't know the amp rating, but from what I understand, it will charge almost any Mac. And so it's an all day, you know, you just plug it in and work. You have literally 1 connection on that. So that's pretty cool. Now I have that 4K one, I've got a 1440 here, and then I've got a, you know, ghetto gaming monitor there that's actually fairly color accurate. You know, if you look at, I don't know how well to show up on screen, but the colors are very close between them. I just use this for regular stuff. I use color accurate monitors for actually video editing, but you know, this will be the last one that gets replaced with a ProArt, is this ViewSonic. So I can't say enough good things about the ProArt series of monitors. They just are designed for creators. So as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.